What's up, my name is TcNo, here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you an extremely fast open source free account switcher for Genshin Impact. It's part of my open source ongoing project that's an account switcher for Steam, Battle.net, Origin, Epic Games, Discord, etc, etc. Now it supports Genshin Impact with its new modular features that allow you to add your own platforms. I've got videos going into depth on those. This one's just going to focus on Genshin Impact and raising awareness for it. First, I'll show you how to use it, and then later on, I'll show you how to download and install the software. It's super simple. I'll hit start and open up my TcNo account switcher. When I get to the landing page here, I'll click Manage Extra Platforms in the bottom right, and then make sure to tick Genshin Impact. I'll click Close, and you'll see Genshin Impact on the list over here. Click on it to open it up, and you should see a page like this. Otherwise, you'll be asked to locate the main exe. That'll look something like this, although I've clicked Epic Games. Just ignore that. By default, you'll need to navigate into C, then Program Files, and Genshin Impact. When you select the folder, this should go green, and you'll be able to click Select Genshin Impact folder. Then, after clicking it again, you should see the main window here. When you get to this page, you'll have a button to launch Genshin Impact, add a new account, save the current logged-in account, and log into a highlighted account. For now, I'll just fire up Genshin Impact. It'll drop me in the launcher where I can click a launch. You'll either be dropped into the main menu or you'll be asked to sign in. I'll go ahead and sign in with one of my accounts now. Then I'll click Start Game. Usually for any platform that you use the account switcher with, you need to make sure to click the Remember Password button. In this case, there's not one of them here. On top of that, try not to sign out using Genshin Impact, as we'll exclusively use the switcher to add new accounts and swap between them. When you get to this page over here, you've successfully signed in. At the very bottom, you can see TE**BO at TcNo.co, my website. If I click to begin, and there we go. As you can see, I've been dropped into the world, and I can play as per usual. Awesome. I'll go ahead and quit out of the game with Escape and Quit Game. Do make sure to not actually log out. As soon as you log out, you'll need to sign in again to use the account. So I'll click Quit in the bottom left and OK. Then inside of the Genshin Impact platform in TcNo Account Switcher, make sure to click Save Current to save the account we're logged into. Now give it a nickname. I'll call it TcNobo. Enter. Now, if Genshin Impact is running, it'll be closed and our account will save here. Click Add New to sign out of your account and reopen Genshin Impact. After clicking Launch, you'll see that I'm dropped into the main menu, and this time around, I'm asked to log in again. So I'll go ahead and do that with a second account. After confirming I'm human, the login process ends and you can see I'm on a different account. I'll click to begin once again and we'll see a different character when we eventually load in. There we go. I'm even in the intro. I haven't done anything on this account. Awesome. I'll hit Alt and F4 to close out of the game this time. And in the Genshin Impact switcher, I'll click Save Current and I'll call it, say, Wes. Add current account. Now to switch between accounts, simply double click whatever account you'd like to go to and immediately the launcher will open. Click Launch. And after the game loads, you'll see that you've successfully swapped accounts. I'll click to begin, and after loading in, I've now been dropped back into the world where I logged off previously. Awesome, that's exactly what I was hoping for. It really is just that easy to swap between accounts in Genshin Impact with the TcNo account switcher. Just note to keep all of the accounts here working, always use Add New instead of signing out inside of Genshin Impact. As soon as you sign out, you'll need to save the same account here by right-clicking and forgetting the account you signed out of. Then click Save, give it a name, and save it as New. Super simple. There are, of course, some other features. If we click Settings in the bottom right, you'll see there's a bunch of localization, ton of different languages supported, different themes, super easy to swap between, and scrolling down to the Genshin Impact options, we can create a desktop shortcut for the Genshin Impact switcher to get us right to the correct page. We can automatically run Genshin as admin, and we can choose whether we'd like it to automatically start on account switch. Beyond that, we can click a button to open the folder where it's installed to. Some people may find that useful, and there's a ton of other features that are hidden in here, such as right-clicking any account and creating a desktop shortcut for this account. Now, if I were to simply double-click this shortcut on my desktop here, I'll switch away from my TcNobo account with a player, and I'll be logged into this account here. So there we go, I've double-clicked it on my desktop, and Genshin Impact should launch in just a moment. There we go, launch. And as you can see, I'm in my wesley@gmail.com address. Awesome, it's exactly what I was hoping for. On top of that, there's just tons of other platforms supported in the TcNo account switcher, and it's really easy to add your own with no knowledge of code. There's a great community, so make sure to join the Discord down below as well. Now let's actually get on to downloading this program so we can quickly switch all of these platforms here. In the description down below, you'll find the TcNo account switcher GitHub link. Upon clicking it, you'll be taken to a page like this. You can view the source code if you'd like to see how it's written and whether you can trust it. Scroll down further, and you'll see a big orange download button. Simply click this. Having a further scroll down, you'll see some features, some extra steps, an installation guide if you'd like to go more in depth, as well as screenshots from the program, etc. If you ever get stuck or encounter any issues, click the Need Help and Info button, so you'll be taken across to the project's wiki. You can head into the FAQ, and the question you may have may already be answered here. If not, make sure to open an issue or contact me via Discord. Anyways, clicking Download, it'll take me across to the latest release, where I can simply scroll down and choose how I'd like it. There's portable versions over here, 7Z and zip. These are exactly the same, just one needs 7-zip to open, and it's half the size of the zip. What you'll most likely be downloading is the installer.exe over here. Simply click it, and it'll download. Then just to show you the installation process, as I already have it installed, I'll fire up a Windows sandbox. Copying in the launcher here, double-clicking on it. Next, I agree. You can choose shortcuts. Next, install, and it'll then decompress files and install. You'll see a window like this pop up asking you to install runtimes. Simply hit enter or any key. They'll then download and install one by one. If anything breaks them, you will find download links to these on the wiki, and these are all official Microsoft distributions if you'd like to install them yourself and you don't trust me. Upon completion, the program will start up. I'll close out of the launcher itself, and there we go. We can immediately start switching accounts. It works exactly as you'd hope. Super simple. So that's really about it. Thank you all for watching. My name's been TcNo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.